Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to disable haptic feedback in Mo.co game using your Android device. If you are looking to disable haptic feedback in the Mo.co game, then first of all launch open Mo.co on your device and then tap on the 3 horizontal menu button at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the haptic feedback button and tap on Off. Make sure that it is turned off, and once you do that, the vibration on your device while playing the game will be turned off. Now you can get back to the game by tapping the cross icon at the top right, and that's how you easily turn off haptic feedbacks, allowing for a more tailored gaming experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.